5 free alternatives to Midjourney for AI-generated images. Midjourney generates images from natural language description called prompts, and currently it is one of the best AI art generators in the market since it allows users to create stunning masterpieces by simply providing text descriptions. However, users need to subscribe to a plan to access this AI art generator. So in this video, there will be 5 alternatives that you can choose from to generate images without paying much. First on the list is Starry AI. So go ahead and open a tab and type in Starry AI. Click on this and then open this one. Once you're in this page, all you have to do is click on this green Start Creating button and you will then be asked to log in using your Google or Apple account. Just choose an account, and once that's loaded and you're logged in, all you have to do is to create a project. And from here, you get to choose between these options. So if you're looking for a specific art style, click on the art one. If you want realistic photos, then choose this one. And below is illustrations and your styles, which is customizable, which is also available. Once you've chosen one style, this page will then show wherein you can access the description box, and in here you will type in words that will describe the image that you want. So let's say you want an image of a cat cafe. Just type that in and you can then add in the mood that you want, the color palette, the vibe, basically everything that will describe your whole photo. Once you're done with the description, the next step is to choose a style. Here below is a lot of styles you can choose from, and as you can see, there's some selection that has this pro on its upper right corner, and it's because this will be only available to those who availed any of their plans, but the rest, which is pretty much the majority, you can still use for free. After choosing one style, you can click on the smart image and you will then be able to add pictures from your device, which can be a reference photo of your generated artwork. For this video, I will not be using it, but you can freely play with it and use it. Below that is the settings, and on the canvas size, only one is available for free users, so we have no choice in that. And once you're done with the settings, click on this generate button and then wait for a few seconds for it to load. This will take some time, but once it's loaded, you'll have your image for free, just like Midjourney. Next up on the list is Playground AI. This is a free-to-use online AI image creator. Use it to create art, social media posts, presentations like PowerPoint, posters. You can also use it for videos, logos, and more. And just like the majority of AI generation tools, all you have to do is log in using your Google account. And once you're in here, simply tap on Start Creating, which will deliver you to the editing page. And in here, click on the square on the center of the page, and this is where you can enter the description of your image. So just type that in. You can then drag these corners of the box to adjust the dimensions of your image. And before generating, proceed to the left side of your page and you will then see the image where you can upload reference photos, the filter where you can choose from a lot of art styles. And below that is the exclude from image where you can type in words that you don't want to see on your photo. And lastly is the control traits. On the other part of the screen, you can also have the settings, so you can just adjust this based on your wants. Once you're done editing the prompt, the settings, and all, click on generate or press Ctrl on your keyboard and it will then present the image that you want. Now move the box and you will then be able to generate new images. Another alternative that you can use is Dreamlike Art. Dreamlike Art offers 8 AI image generation models, including realism, anime, stable diffusion, and a lot more. So once you're in their site, click on Get Started for free and the homepage will then open. Make sure that you are in the Create tab, and here is the prompt box where you will enter details of your photo. You can also use this random button to get a random prompt from Dreamlike Art itself. Below is the image photo where you can upload image references. Negative prompt is where you type in elements that you don't want in your photo. Here, choose the number of images that you want, select its size, and then click on this generate button. By the way, this is the amount of free credit that you can use for free. Just wait for it to load, and as you can see, this is the image that the Dreamlike generated. Another platform that you can use as an alternative is Dream Studio. This is a web app that provides a suite of generative design tools that allows users to create images with AI. It utilizes natural language processing and an offering of user input controls to create images. And just like the previous website that we used, this is the prompt box to describe the image that we want. It also has a shuffle prompt just like the previous one, where you can get random prompt and from there, negative prompt. Again, this is for elements you don't want to see in your photo. This upload image tab is for uploading reference photos. And under the settings tab is the adjustment of aspect ratio and the image count. Once you're done with your settings, click on the Dream button and you will then get your images that you want. By the way, here on the top right is the tokens that you have for free, and the number beside your Dream button is the token that it requires to generate images. It changes depending on your aspect ratio and the number of images that you want. Now, last on the list is Bing Image Creator. This one is a platform powered by an advanced version of the DALL-E model from partners at OpenAI. Bing Image Creator allows you to create an image simply by using your own words to describe the picture that you want to see. Now, once you're in the homepage, all you need to do is to type in the description of the image that you want to be generated here on the text box. Wait for it to load, and after some time, it will then display. You can also use the Surprise Me feature if you want to generate random images. So those are 5 free alternatives to Midjourney for AI-generated images. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.